When you're installing the Simple locks, the SlimSeries, alright, the first thing I normally do, put the spindle in, just so I can measure where my screw holes are going to go next. So, what you need from the pack, the most important part, yeah. We're going to put the small spindle in, we're going to put a little clip to hold it in place, we then spin it round as well. What you do is you start connecting this together, so you can slide it in here, yeah. You can adjust where you want to put it. Line up your plate, just pop. See the arrow? Yeah, make sure it's pointing towards the handle. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to put the rubber part on this. There we go. Put the bits in. Yeah, man, because these rubbers, man, they were right pain before. And now, sit good. They sit perfect. Okay, now we need our different screws. Okay, so now we take this bit off. And this is the spirit in there, put it in there. Alright, now you just make sure the spindle goes through the hole. So you just put the bottom screw in as well. Make sure it lines up with the bottom of the other side. So once you've tightened the screws and everything together, solid, test the handle. Lift to lock on this particular one. Also works with UPVC doors as well. Lift the handle, shoots all the bolts out. Okay, so this side is working absolutely fine. This side's not going to do anything because this is the smart side. Okay, now we plug this bit in. Okay, and then you tuck into the groove that we made earlier for the lock, for the cables. Right, so 4 AA batteries. Put them this way. Like I say, you just got to make sure you got the cable. Put the little cover on. So once you've installed everything, you've locked the door, wake up your unit. You can just test it with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hash.